everyone, welcome to my channel Neelam's Edu World. Today we are going to match the given letter with their pictures. Okay, then let's start. Here I write letters and here are the pictures. So A for apple. A for apple. Where is apple? Apple is here. Then draw line like this. Okay, then B. Then B for ball. Where is ball? See, here is the ball. Then match this. Then C for cake. C for cake. Here is the cake. Then match this C with the cake. Now next is D. D for duck. Here is the duck. See, yellow color duck is there. Then E for egg. Where is egg? Egg is here. Then match this E with egg. Okay. Then see F. F for fish. Where is the fish? See, fish is here. Then G for grapes. Grapes is below the fish. Then match this G for grapes. Then H is here and H for house. Where is the house? House is here. Then match this H with house. Then I for ice cream. Ice cream. Where is the ice cream? Here. Then match I with the ice cream. Then next J for joker. See, here is the joker. Then match J with joker. Then K for kite. Where is kite? Then match this K with kite. And where is L? L is here and L for lamp. Lamp is above the joker's picture. Okay, then match this L with lamp. The next alphabet. The next letter, see here, M. M for mango. Here is the mango. Then match this M with this mango. The next N for nest. Bird's nest. Then match this N with nest. O for orange. Where is the orange? Here is the orange below the nest picture. Then P for parrot. You like parrot now? See, here is the parrot. Then match this P with parrot. Q for queen. Here is the above the parrot picture. There is a queen. Then match this Q with queen's picture. Then R for rose. R for rose. See, R for rose. Match this R with this rose pictures. Then S for ship. There is S for ship. Match this S with ship. The next letter is T. T for telephone. Where is telephone? See, here. Second number picture is telephone. Match this T with this telephone picture. Then U for umbrella. Okay, then match this U with this umbrella's picture. Then V for van. Where is the van? See, here is the van. Then match this V with this van pictures. Okay. Then next W for watch. Where is watch? Above the umbrella's picture there is a watch. Then match this W with this watch picture. Then X for xylophone. And here is the xylophone. Then match this X with xylophone. Okay. Then Y for Yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Do you like yo-yo? See, here is the yo-yo. And match this Y with yo-yo's picture. And last is the Z. Letter Z. And where is the zebra picture? Yes, kids, here is the zebra. Above the xylophone's picture, there is a zebra. Then match this letter Z with this zebra picture. Like this only. Okay, friend. Now we match all the letters with their picture. Now let's meet again with new video. Bye bye.